Phrasal verbs related to driving. Get in, meaning go inside a car.
Let's get in the car and go.
Get out, meaning leave a car.
I will get out when you stop at the signal.
Back up, meaning reverse, move a vehicle backwards.
He backed up close to the gate.
Break down, meaning stop working.
The car broke down on the way home.
Cut in, meaning suddenly move very closely in front of another vehicle in a dangerous manner.
That bike just cut in and I almost hit it.
Drive off, meaning leave a place in a vehicle.
The bank robber drove off in a white car.
Drive on, meaning continue driving.
That's my boss. Don't stop. Drive on. I don't want him to see me.
Drop off, meaning take someone somewhere by car.
Mother dropped me off at the school.
Fill up, meaning put fuel in the tank.
I'll stop at a petrol station and fill up.
Knock down, meaning hit someone with a vehicle.
A red car was knocked down by a silver car.
Pick up, meaning go somewhere in your car and collect someone.
Jonah offered to pick up his colleague at the bus stop.
Pull in, meaning move to a designated place at the side of the road.
A police car signaled to me to pull in.
Pull off, meaning leave the road momentarily.
I was tired from driving, so I pulled off for a rest and a cup of coffee.
Pull out, meaning move out from the roadside onto the road.
A motorbike suddenly pulled out in front of me.
Pull over, meaning move over to the side of the road.
She pulled over to make way for the ambulance.
Pull up, meaning stop.
All vehicles must pull up at the traffic lights.
Slow down, meaning reduce the speed.
The driver slowed down in front of the school.
Speed up, meaning accelerate.
I'll have to speed up if we want to reach on time.
Turn off, meaning leave a road to take another.
This is the road where we turn off.
Change up, meaning start using a higher gear.
When I got on the highway, I was able to change up to 5th gear.
Change down, meaning start using a lower gear.
You have to gear down when you drive uphill.
Buckle up, do up, meaning fasten your seatbelt in car.
Do up your seat belt.
To tick over, meaning we use it to describe a car engine operating at neutral without your car moving.
On a cold winter morning, you sit there with the engine ticking over and then gradually, the car will heat up.